Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar, and today's video topic is ACP in Java. So basically ACP is a string constant pool. So for that we took an example where the two programs we are comparing. So the first program produces output as yes, and the second program produces output no. So let's discuss what is the reason behind it. So we made a class G and passed the main method. So in main method we took two strings, string s1 and string s2. So both are string s1 and s2 are ABC, and we pass the condition. If s1 is equal to s2, then sys out yes, otherwise in the else part we print the no. And in the second program, comparing two references or two objects and creating using new operator. So here also we compare two objects, string s1, and as we know how to make a object, string s1 is equal to new string, and we pass abc string. If s1 is equal to s2, so print yes, otherwise in the else part we print no. So let's understand why we get different output with below. So string is a sequence of a characters. One of the most characteristics of a string in Java is that they are immutable. So why string are immutable? So in other words, once we create the string, the internal state of a string remains the same throughout the execution of the program. So this immutability is achieved through the use of a special string constant pool in the heap. In this discussion we will understand about the storage of the string. A string constant pool is separate place in the heap memory where the values of all strings which are predefined in the program. So when we declare a string, an object of a type string is created in the stack. So while an instance with the value of the string is created in the heap on the standard assignment of a value to a string variable, the variable is allocated stack while the value is stored in the heap in the string constant pool. For example, let's assign some value to string. So in a string, in a Java, string is defined and the value is assigned as string str1 is equal to hello. So in the above scenario, a string object is created in the stack and the value hello is created and stored in the heap. So since we have normally assigned the value, if it is stored in the constant pool area of the heap, a pointer points towards the value stored in the heap from the object in the stack. Thank you.